Hello again, it's Dr. Lindsay. And what I'd like to do in this video is go through what we did in this module on perfect competition. So we went through the assumptions of this perfect competition. And one thing that's important is that in this model where all the products are identical, is that the sellers are price takers and they have to take the price, the market price is given. They can't sell a little bit more. They can always sell more, but they can't raise the price at all. And so to them, they don't face what they see as a downward sloping demand curve for their product. What they see is just a horizontal line for their product. Now we make the assumption that they maximize profit, and they're really only, since they can't choose the price to sell their product for, the only thing they can do is choose how much to make. So it turns out that in deciding how much to make, they set the price of the product equal to their marginal cost. And that will give them the profit maximizing quantity to produce. Now we can calculate that profit graphically, but that price, as long as that price is above their average total cost, they'll be making a profit. If the price that they can get for their product is less than their average total cost, then they're going to be losing money. Now, it turns out that the supply curve for the firm is their marginal cost curve. Their supply curve in the short run is different than their supply curve in the long run. In the long run, it's the marginal cost curve that is above the average total cost curve, because that's, or at the average total cost curve, because that's where they're not losing any money. In the short run, it's a little bit lower than that. It's where the marginal cost curve is at or above the average variable cost curve, because they're willing to take a loss in the short run as long as they're meeting their variable costs. We've also shown that in the industry, if the firms are making money, it's going to attract other sellers into this industry. And it will lower the price of the product. If they're losing money, sellers will leave the industry and it will raise the price of their product. In equilibrium, the final price is where none of the sellers are making a profit or losing money. They are at that price where there is zero economic profit for the firm. That means that in the long run, the supply curve for this industry is horizontal at that price P star that is the very bottom of the average total cost curve, where no firm is earning a profit or taking a loss.